Let's see how many people can get really close to pulling 1 foot on a tape measure without looking. Pull 1 foot, please.
Yes, I did think that.
1 foot?
1 foot.
Is it whoever gets closest? Also, is this tape measure is this like the gum you pull it and it stings you? It is, isn't it?
Ready?
Not
Close.
bad. Eric, pull a foot, please.
Literally?
Yeah. Almost.
You're lying, Matt. Have you done this, Michael?
Is this a guy that you would
It is. It is gonna sting me.
Yeah, that's cool right there. Boom.
No, it's.
It's not gonna sting you.
Okay.
Close.
What's this?
Brandon, pull 1 foot from the tape measure, please.
1 foot?
Yes.
Right there.
Mike, pull 1 foot, please.
Hey! No!
That's not that person.
1 foot?
Yes.
Right there.
Oh!
Very good.